Hi everyone, my name is William Fernet-Ducharme from Group 3. The movie that we chose is The Shining. My assigned role is to discuss with you the literary analysis about the setting of the movie. So let's get started. The movie takes place in the 5-star isolated hotel called The Overlook, located in Colorado. This very luxurious hotel was built in 1909 on an old Indian burial land, creating tension with the natives at the time of construction. Jack, the main character, is being hired to take care of the hotel during the off-season. So this magnificent hotel will be completely empty except for Jack and his nuclear family. The movie mainly takes place in 1980, but sometimes Jack has visions of the hotel activities dating back to the year 1921. As you can see, this picture of the hotel illustrates how isolated it is. There's nothing around it except that snowy mountain in the background. Below the picture, there's a quote from the actual novel The Shining, written 3 years prior to the movie's release. And it says, "The closest town is Sidewinder, 40 miles east of here." First, the setting provides a sense of isolation. The location of the hotel is important because the characters feel trapped since no one is around them. They can even be snowed in for a few weeks. James Berardinelli mentions that with a winter storm howling outside, the spacious hotel becomes a prison. Secondly, not only is the hotel isolated, but it's empty. This is the off-season, so everyone has gone except the 3 family members. The vast emptiness creates an eerie feeling. The social milieu is very significant for the movie to create a sense of isolation. Next, the setting provides mystery. We learn about room 237, which is off limits. Why is it restricted? That's because in the past, a family was murdered in that room, and since then, no one is allowed to enter. However, at one point, Jack enters and encounters a naked woman coming out of the bath. As she gets closer, they embrace, and once Jack looks in the mirror, the woman appears fat and rotten. Jack escapes the room and shuts the door. Now, let's talk about internal settings. Internal settings takes place within the mind of the character. Not only Jack experiences troubling vision, his son Danny is also experiencing strange visions. A notable example is that he sees a blood river coming out of the elevator, as you can see right here. It is unclear that both Jack and Danny are seeing events occurring in the hotel, or is it all in their minds? In what way does the setting affect the mood? The setting is one of the stars of the movie. The isolation and the haunted past of the hotel influences the mind of the family, possibly leading Jack to madness. James Berardinelli mentioned in his review that Kubrick never answers the questions about whether Jack's ghoulish visions are real or fabrications of his increasingly warped imagination. And Roger Ebert, in his review, mentions that the movie is not about ghosts, but about madness and the energies it sets loose in an isolated situation primed to magnify them. From these 2 quotations, we understand how the setting may have contributed to Jack's madness and how crucial it was to tell a story. This ends the analysis of the literary element of the setting. So, thank you everyone for listening to me, and I hope you enjoyed it.